In our real life and in our programming journey, we always encounter something or some condition, some situation where we want to repeat some action, or we want the user to enter a correct value, and we will repeat it until we will ask them to repeat the input or the action until we get the correct value. So how we do this? If you want to print 10 times, we have to put a print statement 10 times. No, we can use a loop. A loop is like, if you can imagine like something that is running in a circle, and it will keep running until the circle is break, and it will keep running until it break. So the break is the condition. In Python, we have while and for loop. In this video, we will learn about while loop. In while loop, if you want to use while loop, you need to, if you want to run something like 10 times, you want to be 10 times, then you need to specify the initial condition of the condition. Let's say a integer time to equals 0, less than time, free. Okay. Now we have a continuous loop. We have a loop, endless loop. Why? Because we specify the condition, but we don't specify a statement that will satisfy the condition. Stop the execution. See, we need to increase. Now we print 10 times because we start with 0. This is one way to use while. If you want to use a while to ask user to enter a correct input, you have to define the initial state, and while is not equal to, say, 10. An input to integer, because we want to compare with integer. And we will have to increment the condition statement. Because it will test whether it is equal to this, but we need to initialize the variable, because if we not initialize the variable, it will assign like a random value. Okay, now we have some mistake here. This because we use time print is 0, because we don't want to compare the time print. Actually, we want to compare input. It is input, not time print. Okay. This that will end, because this condition has been satisfied. Negative satisfied, I mean, it will check if input, it will keep running if input is not equal to 10, and will stop its running if input equal to 10.